These are the Unity Hybrid plate and panel bags, and they're the foundation of the Unity Armor system. It provides an incredible level of customization, modularity, and has an impeccable level of quality. The hybrid portion of the Unity Hybrid is the fact that it prioritizes not only soft armor, but hard armor as well. It uses an innovative front-loading plate and panel pocket, allowing the wear face of this vest to be extremely smooth against the body. It's designed to eliminate all the pinch points, making this comfortable for wear during a 12 or 15-hour shift. Going back to the front side, if we open up our pocket, you'll see that we already have 3A Plus soft armor in here. I'm going to remove that just so I can show you what's going on. You open up your plate and panel pocket. We're going to take the armor, make sure that the wear face, the side with the label, goes against the body. We're going to bend it inward, insert it into the pocket, and make sure that everything is nice and flat. Now remember that this does have stretch to it, so you may need to do a little bit of work just to make sure that everything is nice and smooth. When installing the armor, I like to make sure that we first take one side, line it up with the edge of the vest here, lay flat, line up the other side, making sure we cover all that Velcro, making sure everything is just nice and even, making sure the front is flat as well, and get that nice and smooth. Unity Hybrid carries the hybrid name because it not only prioritizes full coverage soft armor, but equally as much hard armor. Most carriers that accommodate soft armor add on hard plates as a secondary option, but that is not the case with the Unity Hybrid. You can add plates in your quick load zipper access pocket from the front, or you can load them from the inside. And the first time you set up your vest, you are indeed going to want to load them from the inside. And that's because inside the internal pocket, there is a strap allowing you to adjust the ride height of your plate. And that is something that's very important. Because unlike most carriers that have an external pocket that Velcro's closed and the plate sits low, the Unity Hybrid allows you to get a true plate carrier ride height, which means that this plate is going to ride beyond the opening itself and all the way up to the neckline, ensuring that you have plate carrier equivalent rifle plate protection. Once you close this up and have your rifle plate inside, you may not even know that you're carrying plates any longer. Everything is extremely low profile and snag-free. You can access your plate from the top, remove it, and reinsert it as you see fit. Your adjustments will stay right where you left them. And this system doesn't just apply to the front. We have the exact same system in the rear as well. One of the features of the Unity Hybrid that isn't quite visible but is extraordinarily important to people like Special Forces, SWAT, and people that carry large amounts of communication systems is the cable routing. You'll see that there's ports, 4 on the front and rear, allowing you to pass cables in and out. But it doesn't end just here. In fact, when you pass cables in and up through the shoulder, the cable doesn't limit the amount of Velcro hold that you have. So your cables are even able to pass between the Velcro. It's the small details that matter. That comes right through the back. There's a Velcro hold down here, allowing you to pass cables in the same manner and out that same manner. It allows you to have an extreme level of cable management, but it doesn't end just there. When you go inside the plate and panel bags, you'll find that there's actually a Velcro hold area between the mounting panel and your armor. That allows you to secure cables, junction boxes, or any sort of antennas or equipment that you might have and want to secure in a specific place that isn't external to your vest. This can handle cables and electronics unlike anything else that I've ever seen. So no matter how complex your cable management or equipment needs may be, Unity Hybrid can handle it and so much more. But not only will it make sure that your cables are retained nicely, but it is going to conceal them, eliminating snags. And this is just a quick overview of the Unity Hybrid plate and panel bags. They are 100% US made right here in our Henderson, Nevada facility, where we design, develop, patent, and manufacture these each and every day. If you want to build your vest from scratch, ordering just the plate and panel bags is a fantastic way to go. But if you want to visualize what this will look like, what it's capable of, and what you might be able to create, I recommend that you visit the Unity Hybrid Kit Builder, where you'll be able to see and piece together your own custom vests. We cannot wait to see what you do to make the Unity Hybrid your own, And if you have any recommendations or asks for what you'd like to see in the future, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. This is a system that is built to grow with you, and this is a system that is built to grow with us. These are the Unity Hybrid Plate and Panel Bags by Safe Life Defense, and there is nothing else like it.